More than 2 lakh students took CAT examination in 2022 this year. And the fact of the matter is, IIMs will offer them 5,500 seats on an average. And when these 5,500 people will get a seat, most of us will want to congratulate them. But if you really think about it, is it worthy for congratulation? Just think about the entire scenario. Only 2.75% people will get to study from the top league business school in India. I'm not even getting into the kind of curriculum they teach, but at least in terms of signaling, only 2.75% people will get a chance in life to get to study business school education in India.